How to use YouTube in background in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can use YouTube in background in Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch the Chrome application in your mobile device. So here tap on the search bar and then type in youtube.com. Once you have opened the youtube.com, tap on the three dot icon from the top right corner. Here, scroll down a bit and make sure that you have chosen the desktop site. So if you have not tapped on that tick mark, make sure to tap on desktop site with the tick mark. After you have done that, now you have to choose a video that you want to play in your background. For example, I have this music right here. Once you played this video in your background, if you swipe down your notification panel, you can see that the music is playing in the background. Now, even if you close this Chrome application and if you swipe down your notification panel, you will find the music is still playing in the background. There you will have an option either to play or pause the music here. So once you have played the music, it's gonna play in your background, and that's how you can use YouTube in background. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.